How to enable or disable vocal shortcuts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Vocal Shortcuts. Then at the top, tap on Vocal Shortcuts toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn on Vocal Shortcuts, you should see there is an orange microphone in the dynamic island. So tapping on that will allow you to use the vocal shortcuts. So here, once I turn it on, I can use the shortcut action ASX, ASX, and the phone will listen and open up the shortcut. So that is the shortcuts right there. So we'll open up this shortcut, which open up a web page. ASX. And here it will open up Safari. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on. If you want to add in an action, you can tap on Add Action and then tap on Continued. And here you can choose a shortcut. So here you can ask it to open up a Chrome, run a calendar alert, run a timer. So here, and then you can say timer or my timer. And then tap on Go. My timer. My timer. My timer. So now we have created the shortcut. So whenever you want, you can say my timer. My timer. And that will start your 3 seconds timer. So we run the shortcut. And that's it. So that is the vocal shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.